When I consider some of the suggested educational technology and process to which Wesh alluded in his video, I often reflect on my own learning story. One of the first events that came to mind was when I was in the 5th grade. I remember one of my teachers would fill 3 chalkboards from top to bottom all the way across with notes on the day's or week's topic. We were expected to quietly sit at our desk and copy everything down from the board, word for word. This would take up the majority of the class period. I also remember how much I hated doing that and how much my fingers hurt from all the writing. When I was a senior in high school, I had a math teacher who would use an overhead projector to solve equations. She would use a wipeable marker to solve the equation. We could all copy it down, and that way we could see how to do the work. These 2 examples were before the age of PowerPoint and digital projectors. My teachers used technologies and teaching methods that they understood and were trained for to try and provide us a quality education. I started college in 1988, did not finish my first degree until 2004, my associate's degree. When I experienced my first online course, that's when I experienced my first online course. Since then, I've continued my education here at Liberty University and have seen many changes in how their program is designed. Although I am technically considered part of Generation X, the duration of my educational journey has exposed me to many of the topics in the video which address the challenges that millennials face. Thorson talks about a digital divide resulting from factors which limit a student's access to or ability to use technology for learning. Wesh seems to suggest that for millennials, the digital divide comes in part from antiquated teaching approaches. The requirement for use of physical books, large class sizes, and teacher-centered learning appear to be central to the theme. Over the past 8 years, I've seen a shift in Liberty University's approach, which seems to be aimed at changing paradigms which affect the digital divide. Videotape lectures have been replaced with web-based video presentations. Physical books have started being replaced by digital copies available on computers and e-readers. Learning management systems like Blackboard were once used primarily for posting homework assignments and taking tests. Now they are used for collaborative projects as well. These changes seem to come easily to online learning, but the real challenge lies in reducing the divide in the classroom. Technology integration is not likely to be an instant solution, but it can be an aid.